Starting a social media marketing agency, SMMA, in India in 2024 requires a structured approach. Here are steps you might consider. 1. Learn and understand social media marketing. Education. Gain knowledge through online courses, books, or tutorials on digital marketing and social media advertising. Stay updated. Follow industry leaders, blogs, and forums to stay abreast of the latest trends and strategies. 2. Identify your niche and services. Determine your target market or niche within the SMMA landscape. Decide on the services you'll offer, e.g., content creation, ads management, influencer marketing, etc. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, revenue projections, target clients, and marketing strategies. Consider the legal aspects and register your business as per Indian regulations. 4. Build your skills and portfolio. Practice your skills by working on personal or volunteer projects. Develop a portfolio showcasing your expertise and successful campaigns. 5. Network and establish contacts. Connect with potential clients, other businesses, and influencers through networking events, social media, or professional platforms. 6. Set up your agency. Create a professional website highlighting your services and portfolio. Set up necessary tools and software for managing social media campaigns effectively. 7. Offer value and deliver results. Provide valuable solutions to your clients by understanding their needs. Focus on delivering measurable results to build credibility. 8. Marketing and branding. Use social media platforms to market your agency. Invest in branding efforts to make your agency stand out. 9. Client acquisition and retention. Implement effective sales strategies to acquire clients. Focus on client retention by delivering consistent quality and building long-term relationships. 10. Stay updated and adapt. Social media is dynamic. Stay updated with new algorithms, trends, and changes. Be adaptable and willing to pivot strategies based on market demands. Note: always adhere to legal and ethical guidelines while conducting business. Additionally, understanding the Indian market specifics, cultural nuances, and compliance with local regulations will significantly contribute to your agency's success. Consulting with legal and financial advisors may also be beneficial as you establish your SMMA in India.